Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to crochet shell stitch with the simple instruction. Double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet are used to crochet this shell stitch. It's a very fascinated pattern. Definitely you will like, and it was very easy to follow. You can also learn this pattern with the help of written instruction. The link is given in the description box below. Shall we start? I have used 4mm hook and Naco yarn. Begin with split knot. Keep this yarn as like this X and like this. Pull the yarn from middle like this. That's it. We did our split knot. From here we're going to do our chains. I'm going to do 31 chains here. You can crochet as per your project length. Use multiples of 6 plus 1. I crocheted 31 chains here. From here begin row 1. Crochet extra 1 3 chain. This 3 chain indicate as double crochet. From hook we are going to skip 5 chains. First this 3 chain, and from here skip 2 more chains, totally 5 chain. Skip 5 chain from hook. In 6th chain we're going to start our shell stitch. Yarn over inside the hook and yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. Like this we're going to crochet 2 more double crochet in same chain. We have crocheted 3 double crochets and now chain 2. Again crochet 3 more double crochet on the same chain. We have completed our first shell stitch. From here skip 2 more chain. After shell stitch skip 2 chain and crochet 1 double crochet on 3rd chain. After double crochet skip 2 more chain and crochet another shell stitch on 3rd chain. 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet on same chain. After 3 double crochet, do 2 the chain and 3 more double crochet on the same chain. Like this we are going to repeat all over this row. Shell stitch, skip 2 chain, 1 double crochet, skip 2 chain, again shell stitch. Like this we are going to repeat all over this row. After shell stitch skip 2 chain. On 3rd chain do 1 double crochet. After double crochet skip 2 chain, do another shell stitch on 3rd chain. 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet on the same chain. After shell stitch, skip 2 chain, 1 double crochet on third chain. Like this, we're going to repeat all over this round. After double crochet, skip 2 chain, do shell stitch on third chain. After shell stitch, skip 2 chain, do 1 double crochet on third chain. Like this, we completed row 1. And from here, we're going to begin our row 2, 3 chain. 3 chain indicate as double crochet. From here we're going to do shell stitch on this chain 2 space. 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet on chain 2 space. Chain 2, another 3 more double crochet on the same chain space. After shell stitch, we're going to do on this double crochet, we're going to do the back post double crochet, yarn over inside the hook from the back side like this, and like this pull double crochet like this, and yarn over, pull yarn like this. Look, it should be like this. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull first 2 loops, yarn over, pull to another 2 loops. We done our back post double crochet. From here again 2 shell stitch on this chain 2 space, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet on chain space. After shell stitch, do back post double crochet on this double crochet stitch, yarn over inside the hook like this, pull the yarn like this. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Now do shell stitch on this chain 2 space. After shell stitch, do back post double crochet, next double crochet stitch. Like this, we're going to repeat all over this row. We're going to do shell stitch on chain 2 space, back post double crochet on next double crochet stitch, shell stitch on chain 2 space. Like this, we're going to repeat all over this row. We have completed our row 2. At last, do back post double crochet here on this chain 3. This chain 3 indicates as double crochet, so we're going to do back post double crochet on this chain 3. That's it, we have completed our row 2. Look at our stitch, how pretty it came, cable type came. Now row 3, 3 chain indicate as double crochet. As usual, crochet, shell stitch on chain 2 space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet on this chain 3 space. this row we are going to do front post double crochet. After shell stitch, do front post double crochet here. For back post, we insert hook from back side. For front post, we want to insert hook from front side like this. Inside the hook and pull yarn like this. That's it. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. We completed our front post double crochet. Now repeat shell stitch on next chain 2 space. After shell stitch, do front post double crochet on next back post double crochet stitch inside the hook like this. Yarn over, pull first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. Now again do shell stitch on next chain 2 space. After shell stitch, do another front post double crochet on next back post double crochet. Like this, we're going to repeat all over this row. Look, we have completed our row 3. Shell stitch on chain 2 space and front post double crochet on back post double crochet, another shell stitch on chain 2 space. Now work front post double crochet at end. That's it. We have completed our row 3. Now row 4. Row 4 chain 3. Chain 3 indicate as double crochet. We're going to repeat row 2 here. Work shell stitch on chain 2 space. Repeat back post double crochet on front post double crochet stitch. After back post, work shell stitch on next chain 2 space. After shell stitch, work back post double crochet on next front post double crochet stitch. Like this, we're going to repeat all over this row. Shell stitch, back post double crochet on next on front post double crochet stitch, shell stitch on next chain 2 space. Like this, we're going to repeat all over this row. After completing this row, look at our stitch, how pretty it came. It was very simple stitches. Now row 5, we're going to repeat front post stitch here, chain 3 indicate as double crochet, shell stitch on chain 2 space. After shell stitch, work front post double crochet here on back post double crochet stitch. After back post double crochet, work shell stitch on next chain 2 space. Look, like this, we're going to repeat all over this row. Shell stitch, front post double crochet, shell stitch. Like this, we're going to repeat same as like this. First and off, simply do chain 1, leave some yarn and cut, pull the yarn, pull chain downwards. That's it. We have got our secure knot here. We're going to repeat row 2 to row 4, and row we will work back post double crochet, another row front post double crochet, and another row back post double crochet. Like this we're going to repeat all over this row. Vice versa we're going to work back post, front post, and back post. For showing you a work 32 chains. If you want, means you can also work as your design project length. You can use multiples of 6+1. You can also see a written instruction. The link is in the description box below. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.